Now we continue how to make the steering knuckle. We have to put in now the ball joint holder of the upper and lower as well as the steering arm. So to start, we are going to right click on this part and then open part. So now we are ready on part, and then we can now sketch the ball joint holder on the upper ball joint. So we can sketch on this page. Okay, normal 2. Right, we can use a slat, straight slat. Okay, so straight slat, and then we are going to draw it here. Okay, all right. So if we want exactly on the edge, then we can put exactly on the edge. Then we will put first dimension. Let's say with the thickness of my ball joint on the upper ball joint is holder. I put in 20. Okay, 20. Enter. So it's there. We can adjust this one. Escape. Okay, adjust this one. Control and this one. We can make them collinear. All right. So if we think that this is too big, we can drag it in. Okay, and then we can put also a smart dimension. So from this point to this point. Okay, let's say we put also 20, or let's say 22. All right, now we close the sketch, and then we're going to sketch a 3D. Okay, on this top plane. Okay, so normal 2. All right, so I want to draw the shape of my upper ball joint holder, so I can use straight line. We close. This should be 3D sketch. Okay, sketch, and then click going up. Okay, up. All right, so example, this is my shape. All right, so I'm going to fillet the corners. Okay, we can increase to 20. All right, check, and then we close the 3D sketch, and then pictures, we go sweep boss. So select this first drawing and then select the 3D sketch. So this will be my steering knuckle on the upper ball joint holder. All right, so check. All right, so on the lower we do the same. So we sketch on this space, normal 2. So we do the same sketch. Okay, slat. All right, escape. So dimension, we put this one as 2020. Right, and then this and this one we put in 22. Enter, and then escape, and then we put this one, control, select the edge, let them collinear. All right, okay, and then if you want this distance until here, you can also put dimension. So this one, let's say I put 12. Enter. Okay, close. So just like what we did there, it's on the on this place. Okay, so let's see what's that one, this part. So normal 2, we click here so that it will be okay, and then I'm going to make my line similar with this upper part. So we select, go up. Okay, so the lower is a bit nearer. Okay, we put small, then we make the fillet on the sketch. Right, check, and then we close the sketch. Then we are going to do features, swipe boss, select this profile, and then select this profile. So this is my uh, lower, right? So now we are going to put the hole. Okay, wait, I close, I never sweep, so we have to repeat, sweep. Okay, select this sketch, and then select this sketch, then check. Right, so I can now sketch on this base sketch, normal 2. Okay, I will draw a circle that will be having the hole, so I can just put here. Alright, we're going to go pictures, extrude cut, then we make taper, maybe only 2 degree. Okay, or we can make it 3. Alright, check. So this is the hole. I can sketch again over here. Okay, and then I can sketch a circle, normal 2. Alright, 1 circle, find the center. Alright, now we make it bigger. Okay, so I'm going to make 2 circle. One is bigger. Alright, and then of course we can increase the size of this one. Escape, escape. Okay, check. Then we increase. Alright, and then check, and then we're going to extrude features, extrude. So we select this area, selected contours, select this area. Right, now we can make it up to the surface. Okay, up to surface, or we can make it offset a bit, offset from surface. From here we make it 2 mm only, so we reverse offset. Don't want reverse, so it means like this only, so we better go blind, and then I want this one to be a bit excess. Okay, then similarly on second direction I want to make a small. All right, so check. Why it becomes circle? edit sketch. So normal, and to select sketch region, select this one. Alright, check. Okay. So same procedure will be done on the lower control arm, and then same procedure also done on the steering arm. The steering arm, sketch, normal 2. So we are going to make also a straight slot. So on this area, okay, escape. I can adjust this over here. Smart dimension. You can use the same 20. Enter. And then this one 22 there. Alright, escape. So we can now position this steering knuckle. Okay, we don't want it to be out. Alright, so close. Then we are going to sketch the 3D sketch. The best thing is on this view. Okay, so we go on 3D sketch, and sketch from here. Alright, we can put one like this and then one like this. Alright, so we can now make the fillet. Can increase it, check. Okay, features, we close the sketch, then swipe both, select this one, then select this one. Okay, check. So this is my steering arm. Okay, this one we can make it smaller. We edit, and then option, alright, so this one we can cut so that it becomes a bit narrow. Alright, here, sketch,